I bet you'll find it hard to eat just one of these. Buffalo wings cooked in an air fryer are absolutely a treat. And to complement them, watch until the end for my best recipe for dipping sauce. So let's get cooking. For best results, I would take out the chicken wings the night before and leave them in the fridge. After you've done that, take them out of the fridge and pat them dry with a paper towel. Add the chicken to a large bowl and season. Add the following ingredients to the bowl: 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 tablespoon of granulated garlic, 1/4 tablespoon of onion granules, 1/4 tablespoon of sweet paprika, 1/8 tablespoon of salt, and 2 pinches of finely ground pepper. Now also you can add Cajun pepper, but this depends on if you'd like it spicy or if you'd like it plain. I like it spicy, so I usually put a fair bit of Cajun pepper in, but it is a preference. Once adding that all to the bowl, mix until evenly coated. The next thing you need to do is preheat the air fryer to 180 Celsius for 4 minutes. Lightly spray the air basket with oil and place a single row of chicken in the bottom of the air fryer. Do not overcrowd the bottom of the basket and don't place chicken on top of each other. Cook at 180°C for 10 minutes and then flip the chicken and cook for another 7 to 10 minutes until pink. Depending on the size of the air fryer, you may need to work in batches so that the wings are not overcrowded. While the wings are cooking, prepare the buffalo sauce. In a small saucepan over a medium heat, add the buffalo sauce and honey and mix well. When mixed well, add the butter and stir until melted. Warm over a low heat for 2 or 3 minutes and allow it to thicken. Pour 1/4 cup into a small bowl and reserve for later. Once wings are cooked in the air fryer, take them out and transfer them to a clean bowl and then pour the remaining buffalo sauce over the wings until mixed and the wings are coated. Place the chicken coated in the buffalo sauce back into the air fryer and heat for 3 minutes at 120°C. After 3 minutes, pull them out and place them back into a bowl, and on top of them, add the 1/4 cup that you've set aside. Serve with your favourite dipping sauce and enjoy. So, as promised, what's my favourite dipping sauce for hot wings? It's a sour cream based one because it's a little tangy and super thick and creamy. And here's how we make it. Take your sour cream and the first thing you're going to add is a little bit of vinegar. This helps to thin the sauce out and makes it easier for you to dip. Use apple cider vinegar is usually the best one. And then also what I add to it is a little bit of maple syrup, which gives it that sweetness. Next I add some freshly chopped chives and also a little bit of salt. Mix it well until it's creamy and keep adding the ingredients until you get a good consistency for dipping. I'm Philip Gale and this is Philip's Cooking Recipes. If you enjoyed today's presentation, take a look at our other video that we've got on the screen, and also please remember to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye for now. I'll bet